Expert golf tips for beginners of the game. Whether your experience is with the miniature golf course or the manicured greens of the world's most difficult golf courses, the information and advice in this selection of valuable tips is sure to teach you a new trick or two. Keep watching for insight into one of the most challenging games out there. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to know when to head inside for cover from the weather. This is important because weather can change quickly when you are on the course, and being out there when a thunderstorm comes in may cause anything from equipment damage to death. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you always take practice swings before hitting the ball. This is important because each hit counts and you want to make sure that your body and mind are ready for the next stroke. Step away from the ball in order to not make accidental contact with it. One of the simplest tips for success on the golf course is choosing the correct club for a particular shot. Clubs with too much weight or a club head width can mangle shorter shots, while lighter clubs cannot offer the distance needed in drives. Choose a good putter as well for those difficult trips to the green. Be careful of an overly aggressive or choppy golf swing. Even the most powerful swing should be smooth and fluid. The key point here is the top of the swing between ending the back swing and beginning the forward swing. Don't jerk the club from one to the other, accelerate gradually for a good, controlled swing. Now that you've had a refresher course, it is time to lace up those cleats and apply the knowledge and techniques that you have just finished watching. With dedication and practice, you can gradually shear the numbers off your average score. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.